Hi, seniors. I'm here to explain to you your timeline project that you need to complete in order to pass the first quarter. So this will be due January 29th in order for you to get a passing grade for quarter one. So some of you are familiar with this, but I'm going to explain just in case you've forgotten. Here's the video that you're watching right now. Your timeline project is this. From the time you were born, you have been part of a timeline. You may not think that the events and actions in your life are important, but they are. Please look back over the course of your life and remember you are the hero of your own life story. In this activity, you will develop a timeline of your life. This timeline will include important personal events that have happened to you during your life. You're going to brainstorm 10 events that were significant to forming who you are today. You are to think about the events, experience, and people who have influenced and been important to you in your life. Step 1, you are going to choose 10 events. It can be people you've met, places you've gone, friendships you've had, coming to America, learning a new language, the big, what we call milestone moments in your life that have led you to become the person you are today. So you're going to think about those and you're going to add them to your timeline. And then you're going to explain what happened because of that event. So for example, in 2007, I moved to Buffalo. It was winter and I had never seen snow before. I didn't know any English when I started school. As a result, this experience gave me the courage to go new places and try new things. You're going to incorporate language for cause and effect. So as you see highlighted here in bold letters, as a result, you're signaling to the reader that there was an effect, something happened. This event caused you to learn something, to change something, to understand something in a new way. And these are some phrases you can use. Because, for this reason, since, due to, owing to. Or you can use these phrases. Therefore, as a result, consequently, this led to. So for each event, you want to really think about what was the effect of that moment. How did it change you? How did you learn from it? And then you're going to use these phrases to signal your reader that you're going to tell them about how you changed. And then you're going to add pictures to illustrate that event. Here are some examples. So if you click on this, you'll go to a classmate's example and you can see how they wrote about different moments in your life. Here, she's talking about some of her struggles. Later on, she might be talking about her successes. And she's added images to each of them. So you will find your Padlet here. So click on your name. Look at Amjad. He's doing a great job. Okay, so Amjad is then going to add to his event. I'm going to use someone else's right now. Good job, Amjad. Okay. So her birth. She is going to then, if you want to make a new one, you click on this plus or this plus. Okay. So you might write here, moving to America. And then you're going to talk about, well, what was that like? What did you learn from that experience? So you might say, in 2012, I moved with my family. Or maybe you didn't go with your family, maybe you moved alone. In 2012, I moved with my family to the United States. I had to learn a new language, a new culture, and make new friends. It was not easy, but after a while, it got better. As a result, I now feel confident that I can overcome difficult situations. I believe in myself and know how to rely on myself. Then you're going to add a picture, okay? So you can upload a picture if you're using your phone. So you can also access this on your phone if you have pictures on your phone that you want to include. Or you could take a picture, like a selfie. Hi, if you want to include yourself. Or you can search the web. This is for search the web. This is where you're going to find most of your pictures. And you're going to include that. Okay, when you are finished, you do not have to submit it, but you do have to send us an email. So you're going to come here and you're going to write Neola or Johnson. There I am. You're going to write timeline and you're going to say, Dear teachers, I finished my timeline. Can you please look it over and let me know if there's any changes I need to make? Okay, please keep in touch. We are available, Mr. Johnson and myself. We are available every day from 9 o'clock to 4. Send us an email, send us a text, and we can help you out if you have any questions. Okay, we will be in touch. Good luck, seniors. We look forward to reading your timelines.